Want to share what you're listening to with a friend? You can actually connect two sets of AirPods to one iPhone at the same time. Here's how it works. While wearing your AirPods, open Control Center. Tap the AirPods icon in the Now Playing control, and then tap the Share button. If your friend is already wearing AirPods, they can bring their iPhone near yours and tap the Join button. If their AirPods are still in their case, bring it close to your iPhone and open the lid. Once your friend's AirPods appear on your screen, tap Share Audio. While the status light is on, have your friend double tap the front of their AirPods case. This will temporarily connect their AirPods to your iPhone while you share audio. For some AirPods, you'll need to hold the Setup button on the back of the case for a few seconds instead. If your friend's AirPods have Find My enabled, you're notified that they will be able to view their location. Tap OK to continue. Once your friend's AirPods are connected, you can set a different volume level for each set of headphones using the controls on the AirPods or in Control Center on your device. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like this video.